Support and resistance became very easy for me to master after learning and applying these things I'm about to show you right in this video. So if you're that trader that be struggling with identifying support and resistance, you don't know where support and resistance is correct, which always led to you having a wrong prediction of price movement. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify support and resistance, and also how to mark support and resistance on the chart, and also how to use them to predict the forex market's direction right in this video. And also I'm going to be showing you how to identify when support is stronger than the resistance or when resistance is stronger than the support. It simply means that either the buyers is stronger than the sellers or the sellers is stronger than the buyers. The support represents the buyers while the resistance represents the sellers. So whichever one is stronger, you place it according to the direction of the market. So I'm going to be showing you how to identify when the support is stronger than the resistance and when the resistance is stronger than the support right in this video. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you don't miss out on any of the steps I'm about to show you right in this video. So as you all may know, support and resistance basically looks like this. Support and resistance basically looks like this. The one that you all knows, which at this point, which is the resistance and the support are of the same level. You can see that. Now this is the resistance, and right here is the support of this chart. This is the resistance, and right here is the support of the chart. So at this point, the resistance and the support are of equal strength. So the buyers and the sellers have the same momentum, the same strength in pushing price. So they are struggling. Who is going to win at this point? Now there are times that most of you don't know. Now there are times that the market might be moving like this. You can see that the market moving active is on the stairs. So guys, at this point, the support is stronger than the resistance. You can see that the market is uptrending. On the uptrending market, the support is stronger than the resistance, which always led to the market breaking out of the resistance. So at this point, you can see that price broke out of the resistance area. You can see that price also broke out of this resistance area, and also price broke out of this resistance area. You can see that each time price head to the resistance area, it keep breaking and forming a support and heads up again. You can see that at this point it doesn't break the support level, instead it breaks the resistance level. At this point the support is stronger than the resistance, and most of you are unable to identify an uptrend market. On an uptrend market, the support is stronger than the resistance. That's what caused price to keep on heading to the upside, which support is the buyers, represent the buyers. So the buyers is stronger at this point. Now let me show you the one that the sellers, which is the resistance, is stronger than the support. Now just watch. You can see that the market's just downtrending just like this. I don't really draw it that perfectly. Now at this point the resistance is stronger than the support. You can see that price keep breaking the support level. Each time price heads up to the resistance area, it comes back down to break the support area. You can see that the resistance area is leveled, but the supports keep breaking. It's not leveled, so the support is not leveled as the resistance. It keep breaking. So you can see that at this point sellers are controlling the market. At this point sellers are in control of the market at this point. So I'm going to be showing you how you can identify a weak and a strong support and resistance chart right in the chart. So let me show you an example using the chart. So right here, as you can see, this is a downtrending chart. As you can see, this is a downtrending chart where the resistance is more stronger than the support. So let me show you how you can identify when the buyers or sellers are pushing price to the downside, which simply means the support or the resistance is more stronger than each other. So let me show you. At this point now, you can see the market is downtrending. Now what both of you fail to do, you can see that this right here, this is the support. The market went up, comes back, formed a support, and before you know, this candlestick went down, broke out of this support. You can see that broke out of this support. Now get back down again, form another support, still went up again to the resistance area. Here is the resistance area of this chart. Came back down again, broke that same support area. So the market went up to the resistance area, came back down and still break another support area. You can see that at this point, sellers are in control of the market. At this point, the resistance is more stronger than the support. So that's what most of you don't know. At this point, resistance is more stronger than the support, which causes price to always break the support area at this point. So most of you will not get it wrong, and you'll be like, getting it wrong, I'm drawing a wrong trend line. You don't know that when the trend lines are not leveled, you can see trend lines are not level. Now if you should draw the support and resistance, you can see draw a trend is not leveled. You can see that at this point the resistance is more stronger than the support. So most of you keep getting it wrong. So right here is the resistance area. You can see market heads up to the resistance and it's leveled. It keep breaking the support, just like this. The market is, at this point, the market is downtrending. That's what you should know. You should be looking forward to sell whenever the resistance is stronger than the support. So I'll be showing you on the chart again when the support is stronger than the resistance, which simply means the buyers is stronger than the sellers. So right now you can see on this chart as well. You can see on this chart. Now take a look at this chart. So at this point you can see right here, this is support, this is resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Market form various support, too many kinds of support and resistance. And most of you, whenever you see too many kinds of support and resistance, you keep getting confused. You don't really know what to do. You don't know if you have to buy or sell. You keep finding it difficult to predict the market at that time. So you're going to learn from this. You should know that you should look for either is the support stronger or is the resistance stronger. Then if the resistance is stronger, you take a short position, and if the support is stronger, you take a long position. That's simple how you can predict price movements in the forex market with ease without struggling yourself and analyzing too much. So I'll be showing you right here. So right now, let me show you right here. You can see that this is our support. This is our support. Right here, you can see this is resistance. Now this is came back down from another support. Went up again from a resistance right here. Comes back down from a support. You can see that. Just like this, the market kept on forming, went up, form again, just like that. Various support and resistance. Too many support and resistance. Too many support and resistance, and most of you will be confused on what to do. So at this point, you should be looking forward to buy. You should know that support is stronger than the resistance. You should be looking for a buy opportunity, not a sell opportunity. Your mind should just be, oh, the support is stronger than the resistance. I should just be looking forward for a buy opportunity, not a sell opportunity. Let your mind not be confused on which direction you have to go. So whenever you see that the support is stronger than the resistance, looking forward to buy. Now if you mark at this point, mark this level, you should mark. Now if you should mark this level, you can see that each time the market went up, it keep breaking the resistance. You see that it keep breaking the resistance level. You can see it keep breaking, just like this. It keep breaking right from here. It keep breaking. It broke, and if the market should keep on, it keep breaking. You can see that it keep breaking. You can see it keep breaking and keep on heading up. Keep breaking. So this is what you should know, and you should just be able to identify. Let's say you identify it right at this spot, seeing that, oh, the market is uptrending, support is more stronger than resistance. What you have to do is immediately take a long position and you make massive profit in the market. But this is what most of you don't know. You join a wrong support and resistance, which led to you having wrong prediction of price in the forex market. So you should learn to identify the right support and resistance on the chart. Knowing support and resistance is correct. You'll be able to identify either if the support is strong or the resistance is weak. Whichever one is stronger than or weaker than each other, you should be able to identify it on the chart. So now let me show you how to draw a perfect support and resistance in the forex market. Now I'm going to be showing you how to draw a perfect support and resistance. So before you can draw a perfect support and resistance, there are 4 things I have here that you should consider as a trader to draw a perfect support and resistance. So to draw a perfect support and resistance, you should mark multiple area of rejection. You should be able to mark multiple area of rejection. So you must see at least multiple areas of rejection before you can be able to know that the market has formed either a support or resistance. So let me show you how to mark the area of rejections, which will help you know that the market has formed support and resistance. So right now, if you should look, first of all, price reject came to this point with this long candlestick which you're seeing right here. Price came down, rejects. Now we've had first rejection, and now price is going to begin. Came back down. You can see that rejects at this point. Now price is going to begin, rejects. You can see that we've had multiple areas of rejection at this point. You can see that we have multiple area of rejection. Also here, price rejects at this point. See the resistance, three areas of rejection. Right here we have various areas of rejection, which you can see. Price rejects at the resistance area, and also price rejects at the support area. Then you should know that price has formed support and resistance. The second thing you need to do is to now mark your swing lows or swing highs. This is the second thing you need to do. So mark your swing lows and swing highs. So right now, let's mark it together. Right here is our swing low. Right here is our swing high. Right here is our swing high. And right here is our swing low, which you can see. Swing highs and swing low. Their price went up, didn't break, came back down, didn't break. So right here is our swing low, swing highs. Then you should know that the market had formed a support and resistance. The market had formed support and resistance at this point. Then you should be looking for price to break out of the swing low or swing high the moment you've marked your swing lows and swing highs. After you've marked it just like this, mark the swing lows and swing highs just like this. You see, we've had a trend now. All you need to do at this point, you should look for an entry trigger and a confirmation. Now see price broke out of the support, boom. Right here is our entry trigger. You can see that right here right now is our entry trigger. You just immediately take a short position, boom, a short position just like this. Your stop loss, let me check, this is now, you just take a short position immediately. Right here, your stop loss will just be right here, boom. This is boom. You can see that market, just put your stop loss, boom. You've made a lot of money at this point. You can see that this is how you can draw a perfect support and resistance. As you enter, boom. Then you just mark, after you look for your entry point, you mark your entry point, which is here is your entry point. So then you mark your entry points, boom. Now here was your entry point. Now, so right now the fourth thing you need to do is to mark your area of stop loss and your area of take profit. So you should mark your area of stop loss and area of take profit after identifying the rejection area and your swing lows and entry trigger, marking your entry point. Then you should be able to now mark your area of stop loss or an area of take profit. Right now we just marked our area of stop loss right here, boom. And now we just want to take our profit a little bit down, boom. Let's say you want to take a profit a little bit down, then you just mark your take profit here, boom, boom. Now your analysis is complete. Now your analysis is complete at this point. You are good to go. Boom, and you can see the market will just keep on heading to your direction because you have drawn a perfect support and resistance. So so make sure you apply this. So for those of you that keep on blowing account back to back because you keep getting it wrong when it comes to drawing support and resistance, you should be able to learn from this and apply it to your trading, and you stop blowing accounts again. You stop blowing accounts the way you used to. Instead, you keep on making profits because you know how to draw a perfect support and resistance. So right now I've showed you how to identify a weak and a strong support and resistance, and also how to draw perfect support and resistance. So make sure you apply this, be able to identify the right and perfect support and resistance so that you can always be at the right side of the market. So guys, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to notify each time I post a video. So if you want to use the broker which I make use of, the link in the description, click the link below and sign up and start trading with the broker which I make use of. Wish you good luck and wish you success in your trading. See you on another video. Like and share this video. See you on another video. Peace out.